Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 10. Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150 and Manish buys 7 pens for rupees 84. Can you say who got the pens cheaper? We can solve in this way that Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150. Therefore, Raju purchases 1 pen for rupees 150 by 10, that is equal to rupees 15, right? Now Manish purchases 7 pens for rupees 84. Therefore, Manish purchases 1 pen for rupees 84 by 7, that is 7 into 7, 7 into 7, 7 into 14, that is rupees 12. Now, can you say who got the pens cheaper? Therefore, we can say that Manish got the pens cheaper because Manish purchases 1 pen for rupees 12 and Raju purchases 1 pen for rupees 15. Therefore, we can say that Manish got the pens cheaper. Manish got the pens cheaper. Manish got the pens cheaper. Right? Again we are repeating. Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150. Therefore, Raju purchases 1 pen for rupees 150 by 10, that is 15 rupees, and Manish purchases 7 pens for rupees 84. Therefore, Manish purchases 1 pen for 84 by 7, that is for 12 rupees. Therefore, we can say that Manish got the pens cheaper. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.